Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm here with another brand new video and today I'm going to be reacting to the new season 5 battle pass. So let's just go to the battle pass here and let's just see the trailer 1p. So this is the trailer.
Escaping the loop. Not on my watch.
Jonesy! That's Jonesy!
I'm gathering the greatest hunters across all realities. And I started with the best.
Mandalorian!
Credits to convince Mando, but
oh!
this is the way.
Baby Yoda, that is! 0
chaos.
point.
And no one will sew it better than them.
The tags are back, I guess.
Menace, reality's greatest gladiator.
So these are the new POIs added in the game.
Man-Cave, a flapjack forged on a griddle of rage. And Maze, you know, just a shape-shifting barbarian warrior.
Yeah.
As they
Okay, there are
they'll have scores to settle and bounties to collect.
There are
All
challenges.
while we get ready for the next phase. And we're just getting started. So, what are you waiting for?
Baby Yoda. Okay, that's pretty nice. Okay, so let's just react through the battle pass, then we can buy it, okay? So the tier 1 skin is Mandalorian bounty hunter from the outer reaches of the galaxy. The Mandalorian set. I really like Mandalorian because I watched the series and it's pretty cool, yeah. This is the music, Rise of the Devourer. This is the banner icon for Mandalorian. Freebie bugs, a spray, leave your mark. Oh, okay, this loading screen is sick. This is very, very beautiful. Wait, what's this? Wait. Wait. Do it again. The child. Oh, that is sick. I've never seen an emoticon move like animated or something. Okay, that's Baby Yoda's and... Oh, so this is the Mandalorian's glider. I think so. It's pretty clean, yeah. It has the boosters on the back and the propellers and everything, yeah. Next, this wrap. This is reactive actually. Graph fusion, exterminated. This is sick. Okay. Back bling. Awesome. Freebie bugs. RG off. Express yourself on the battlefield. Okay. Hyperflight. Okay, this is actually so sick. I think I will be rocking this in my future videos. Yeah. Reese. This is pretty clean. This is more like Fortnite style, like Fortnite vibes instead of collabs. So the next one is this emote, booming. Okay, this is traversal. Actually, this is traversal. So that's pretty nice. Drop out, leave your mark. Need Jerry Warhammer. So I think this is the pickaxe for this skin. Yes, Reese. Yes, this is the pickaxe for this skin. And some free V-Bucks. Okay, this is the glider of the Reese skin, I guess. Banner icon. Wait. Isn't this the same thing as the Reese? It's just in blue color. I think it's a selectable style. Yeah, it's a selectable style. Pancake Posse. I don't know if I spelled it correctly, but it has pancake on the name. Yeah, it is animated. Very nice, actually. No witness, spray, awesome. Stacks. Okay, this is actually funny. You can make a meme out of this. Pancakes with money marks on it. What the? Okay, so this is the pickaxe of the guy I'm about to show you. There's pancakes on a gun. That's weird. V-Bucks. Yeah, free dinner. This is more like dark vibes. Like if you have any like dark skin, like brown or red or something like that, I think you can rock with this. So this is the skin, the man cake. This is actually a boss in game right now. This is his pickaxe actually, and this is his contrail, and his wrap. So that's all pretty sick. This is his glider. I think I like this way better than the other ones. I love this. It's making me feel like I want to eat pancakes. Banner icon. Syrup slinger. I thought he was going to eat it. Well, he's just a guy who has butter in his hands. This is his back bling. Breakfast bounty. Better keep the good stuff for yourself. So this is like money bag, except inside there isn't money. There is pancakes and syrup. So this is the what do you call the loading screen. Let's just check this out. Okay, this is nice. I don't think I will be rocking it too much, but yeah, it's good to know that it's there. Okay, this is actually funny. Yeah, this looks like there is one character in a TV show for kids. He looks like same. So this is Beast Fan, sick pickaxes, and this is epic harvesting tool. Unity. Okay. Wild Heart. These colors desire combat. This is animated and reactive, by the way. Yeah. V-Bucks 100, good to know. Okay. This is Maeve. And she's Wild Heart, defender of the Tempest Jungle, and she's enlightened. I do not know what is enlightened meaning, but it's there, yeah. Wild Heart buckler. This is the back bling of Maeve. It has a. Is that an eagle? Yeah, that's an eagle shield. This is the Maeve glider. This is the Maeve banner icon. Yeah. Oh, this is actually sick. This is sick. Oh my god. She's just standing still. The wings do its work. I think this is built in. Yo, if this works on like other skins, I would be so happy. That would be so cool though. So the next one is wait, what? An extra style option for Beast Fang. So so it's an extra style for this Beast Fang pickaxe. So this is like you hold it in one hand, I guess. Oh, this is Maeve, but with she's reactive. Wait, what are those? Are those snakes? Oh my god. At first I thought they were like tentacles or something. So this is reactive. I do not know how it's reactive, but you can check it on my channel. I will make a video on that. Some free V-Bucks, we love to see it. Maeve Unstoppable. So this is also a style. This is like half fully armored. Okay, so this is all. Okay, the Beast Fang pickaxe has total 3 styles. The first one is this, and the second one is this, and the third one is this. I guess that's done. This is a loading screen. Okay, that looks actually nice. That's clean. You can see on the bottom left, I mean right, there's like a little fish. It reminds me of Pokemon. Wild Hardware created by Afuchan. Okay. Maeve reactive tail. Wait, what? She's like a mermaid with a shark tail. That's so sick. I think Epic are experimenting on this one. Yeah. I do not know how this comes. Apparently, from what I heard, when you swim, it turns into the shark tail, and when you get on land again, it turns back to normal. So this is reactive tail. So you can have to equip the styles. Free V-Bucks. Okay, I think this is the fully armored version. Yeah, this looks sick. Look at her hair. It's like fully braided. She's like ready for war. So fair. I think those are black smoky skulls. I don't really see it. Okay. Warrior spirit. This looks like more like an anime one. Yeah, that's sick. Crimson Wish. Oh, this actually, you know what? This reminds me of the Gorgor's Gatherers. Yeah, the Gatherers, they look like same like this. So that's pretty cool. New banner icon, free V-Bucks. What's this? WR41THP. I think it's called Wrath. Yeah. So this is the skin itself, Condor. This is also, oh, now I get it. Enlightened means it has like different skin variants. Yeah. Deadly gift to an ancient ruler, enlightened spirit of vengeance. If you didn't know, like all of the Mandalorian has a like challenges. It is called Beskar quest to upgrade his armor. Yeah. Spirits pack. I believe this is the back bling of Condor. Yeah. And Condor's Assassin Unknown. Emoticon. Oath and Sorrow. What's this? Wait. The title on this one reminds me of what do you call the chapter 2 season 1 like versus series, like Ripley versus Blue One guy. Yeah, Oath and Sorrow. Yeah, this is pretty sick. Vengeful Shadow. I wish this was like reactive or animated. Yeah. Free V-Bucks, love to see it. Vengeful Wish. Okay. Oh my god. How? This sounds very loud and also epic. How did it turn? Wait. Let's just do that again. Oh my god. He's like the controller of demons or something. I will be definitely rocking that skin in my future videos. Make sure to check out my channel. Star Power Remix. Yeah, that's actually sick. Yeah, I like it. Chibi. Okay. Hyperboard. Wait a second. This looks like the Toon style, but this doesn't have styles. I like it very much. I will be definitely rocking this one with my other outfits. Free V-Bucks, happy. Oh no. Okay. Target up. This looks like the Zippy Strips back content, but it's just more darker and it has like triangle something around the hands and the legs. Yeah. So this is Lexa. She's the anime girl. She has a built-in emote. That's what it says. And she's Toon. She's like a Toon style. So this is a rap. This is animated. Yeah. This is awesome. So this is a pickaxe. Let's see how she swings it. This is very strong. Oh, it has the Wolverine claws animation. Yes. Okay, let's go Mega Fusion loading screen. Okay, that actually looks sick. Mega Fusion interface. Daddy always said that neutrinos were the only way to go. Okay. V-Bucks, 100 V-Bucks, good to know. Hunter Protocol. Okay, how did she do that? Oh my god. Okay, that's a cop. Yeah, that's a cop. Imagine in game you do that emote and it's in slow motion. You can actually make some sick shots with that. So that's pretty cool. Menace Reigns. I don't know how to spell that. That's pretty sick. Shield of the Mighty. Yeah. There's a line on that. I bet Courage JD will use this more often. Yeah. 3 V-Bucks. Good to know. Menace. The arena's greatest champion. Enlightened. Meaning has a styles. The banner icon. Yeah. This is his second style with mask on. Yeah. Okay, I actually like this one. In Victory Royale, you can just do like this, like number 1. Victories fail. Wait, how does this work? The sound and sounds pretty good, yeah. Menace Challenger. Oh, okay. Look at this arm. There's like a line on it. Yeah, it's the same thing with the back bling. Yeah, it's the same line. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, this is animated and reactive. I don't see how it's animated. I think the eyes has some pink purple. I think that glow is moving like a flow. I don't know how it's reactive, but we'll just check it out in my next video. Okay, this is the third option for a Menace. Light helmet. Okay, this looks like the one that came in the Battle Pass, the trailer. Yeah, this is pretty sick. It has like a warrior helmet on. That's okay. Menacing. Okay, a purple and orange and white and a little bit of pink and black. Colors. Look at this, how it's so funny. You can like move the bricks. Okay, that's it. Menace light helmet plume. Okay, this is actually pretty nice. It like has a, what do you call that? Eagle, baby? Yeah, I would say an eagle. Yeah, that's nice. Free V-Bucks, sure thing. Menace undefeated. That's actually nice. Fight dirty. Wait, let's see this one. Oh, you can clearly make 6 shots with that, yeah. Menace. Oh my goodness, this is like, look on the chest armor plate. It's like Medusa. And on the shoulders there are like skulls. There are no lions. And you can see that on the side over here he has like a leopard skin thingy. Okay, so this is the banner icon. And this is Mando. Okay, this is also animated. It's same like the Baby Yoda one. Yeah. Free V-Bucks. So actually in this battle pass there are 2 tier 100 skins. I mean, yeah, 2 tier 100s. The first one is Baby Yoda. Guys, wait until you see Baby Yoda is gonna do something. Do it. Look at that. He also takes like a coffee pot and drinks it. And this is the last one. Yeah. Mandalorian. This is the full upgraded version. And this is the banner icons. This is all free things. Yeah. These are all after tier 100. Like extra options. And that's these are all styles and unlockable emotes, yeah. And after this, there's actually you remember like in season 4 there were like silver, gold and rainbow versions. It's the same thing here but with different colors. I forgot the name, but it's in 3 versions, yeah. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. See ya. Peace.